First, I'll start off with a quick demonstration of how to use the multiple window feature in GoodNotes 5. So right now I have two tabs open, my planner and my sticker book. And so if I click this symbol in the right hand corner of this tab right here, it's going to ask me if I want to open up a new window. Now I have the two side by side, which is useful when I want to use stickers in planning. But you can also use it to view two different pages of the same document, which I also find really helpful. To do that, I'm just going to drag the GoodNotes app over to one side. So I'm just going to go to Goals section. Now I have two different views of the same document and I can see them both side by side. Now we're going to get into the goal setting part. Here you can see that I've set up one achievement goal, which are goals that consist of concrete steps, and one habit goal, which utilize habits to achieve them. I'm going to start over with the achievement goal, so I'm just going to click achievement right there. I entered all of this information and I'm going to go over to the sub goals, which is what I'm going to use to plan my weekly schedule. Over on the left hand side, I'm going to jump to the month and then I'm going to jump to the week. One thing I like to do instead of rewriting all of these tasks and subtasks, I'll actually turn it into a sticker, and let me show you how to do that. These are mostly text boxes, so I'm going to make sure that text boxes is selected, but this is also handwriting, so if I selected handwriting, it's also going to pick up all of these. So I'm actually going to leave it deselected. Select around this block and make sure there's some white space around it because you can always crop that out. And I'm going to click take screenshot. So as you can see, it left out that handwriting. And now if I want to transfer it over, I just like to drag and drop. If I want to crop, I can do that. And then I can also just cover up some boxes right there. And there we go. So now I have that on my weekly page. And then if you remember, there are also some links up at the top right here. I'm going to click this left-hand side of the header. And now I'm on the January overview page. So you can also do the same thing. And I also find this view and this feature useful for the habit goals. So I'll just go into that. So this habit goal leads to this goal setting page. And now if I want to use my streak tracker, I'll just use that right here. And usually you're not starting the first day of the streak on the first day of the month. So I'll just choose the handwriting tool. And then for this one, I'm on the 9th day. So I'll go ahead and just do 9, 10, 11, 12, etc., etc. That way it's easier for me to keep track which day of the streak that I'm on.